Hello everyone, I'm not sure about you, but to me, I prefer to do my chart analysis using desktop version instead of mobile version. Here, I'm going to introduce Webull Desktop so we can analyze our chart using Webull platform. However, please note that the Webull Desktop Singapore is not officially launched yet. Thus, what I'm going to do is to download Webull US for the desktop version for us to perform some simple chart analysis. First, go to Google, then we can search Webull Desktop. After that, you can scroll down. There's an option here, download and start trading stock for free Webull. Click on it. Then we will be able to see this page. As in, I am using Windows version, so I will download for Windows. After it's downloaded, just click it. You just follow the instruction. Okay, after it is downloaded, it will pop out the desktop screen. You can just click next. Okay, just take note that although this is the US version, however, we still can log in on the right side corner here. Click it, then we can log in with our mobile phone number. Then we will need to fill in the OTP. Okay, after we have logged in, we can check on our account details here. JM Investor. If you click on the account and security, we can see our accounts details. However, please take note that because this is the US version, so we are not able to perform any buy or sell trade. As in, if you can see here, the trade, if we click unlock trading, it will prompt a message that please open your account first before trading. Please do not worry that your account is disappeared or what, because this is for the US version and our account is tagged to Webull Singapore. So we can just ignore this part. And yeah, this is the Webull desktop for us to perform chart analysis. Okay, so the current stock is Apple. Okay, today is a very bearish day. So what we can do, we can see there are a lot of layout here. If we, let's say the news, if we don't want, we can click on this option button and we can just remove it. Okay, similar to here, we can also drag the layout with the different size based on our preference. So I will only introduce two very simple functions that I've used the most. The first is the drawing. Okay, so after you click this button for the drawing, the icon, we can draw trend line. We can also draw a horizontal line. Yeah, so there are different lines that we can choose to. Okay, next I'm going to introduce indicator part. We can click the first icon here, indicator. After that, there are several indicators showing here. The default one will be moving average, Bollinger Band, MACD, VWAP, relative strength index, and volume. I'm going to use moving average as an example here because this is my favorite indicator. We can click this MA. Then we can see a line of moving average is shown here. We can click this edit indicator. So for example, if I want to use different length, I can edit here. Then you can click style. So then we can select the indicator that we want it to show on the desktop. As in, you can see here, moving average 30 is a blue color. If I want to show this 60, I can just click, then the green color moving average will be shown. Okay, whenever you want to reset to default, you can just click it. Yeah, then it will be back to normal. For this example, I'm going to use moving average 30 and this is my favorite indicator now. Then just click done. So if you want to have a volume, then just click volume. If you want RSI, just click RSI. Yeah, so as simple as that. The bottom part, is the range of the candle that we can select to. So for example, this is the daily candle. We can choose weekly candle as well. Yeah, so today's is quite bearish. We shall see how the retracement will be going to. Okay, so this is for the indicator and the charting part. The next important one is the customize, because we may not like this type of layout. Yeah, you can just click customize. We can select the layout that we prefer to look on. So if you click this one, yeah, so there are different type of layout. Then we can also choose which widget that we want to choose to. So if you want to see option, you can just click option. Yeah, then the data here will be shown. If you do not like the specific layout or the widget, we can just remove it. After remove, we can also adjust the size of the certain layout based on our preference. So this is quite simple. The last part will be the option. How to see the option is we go back to this starter. Beside the chart, you will see an option here. Just click it. Yeah, so these are the option indicator or the option information will be shown here. I found that the desktop version is very convenient and is very suitable for trading, because after we see here, right, we can actually make our trade here live. However, we shall wait for the Webull Singapore is launched officially, then we can fully utilize this platform. At this moment, it is just another charting tool for us. So this is all I would like to introduce for Webull Desktop at this moment. I will give an update if the Webull Desktop Singapore version is officially launched. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video.